Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Stripe Express account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to navigate to stripe.com and sign into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your Stripe dashboard. From there, click on Settings in the same left-hand navigation panel. When you're inside the Settings page, scroll until you locate Product Settings. Under this section, find and click on the option labeled Connect. In Connect section, you'll see several onboarding options appear. Take a moment to select the onboarding options that best fit your needs. If you're unsure about anything, Stripe's documentation and help center provide excellent guidance for maximizing the platform. Once you've selected your onboarding options, choose your country from the drop-down list. After that, you'll need to tick the appropriate boxes for the agreements or settings that apply to your account. Make sure you clearly understand what each box represents before selecting it. Finally, review all your information to ensure everything is accurate, and then click the Save button. This final step confirms and stores all your configurations, and that's it. So that is how you can create Stripe Express account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.